Deep in the Pennsylvania wilderness, we're exploring 2 state parks to see stunning vistas and to participate in the Woodhick Games. What is a Woodhick? Well, let's find out. We're at S.B. Elliott State Park, or Simon B. Elliott State Park, named after a Pennsylvania conservationist from the turn of the 18th to 19th centuries, who was part of a movement to regrow the trees and the forests in northern Pennsylvania after the logging and railroad industries and the timber industries no longer were utilizing the land. This Pennsylvania Wilds region is what it's called, but there are multiple state parks here. S.B. Elliott is a small park with some hiking trails, some marshlands, some camps and cabins that are actually really nice here as well. We'll be visiting Parker Dam State Park, which is right down the road, just a couple of minutes from here, which has some really interesting things and some events going on this weekend. We're actually only about 10 minutes maybe from Interstate 80, so if you're driving through, this is actually a really nice place to come around and visit. You don't hear the highway, major thoroughfare, but you can enjoy the wilderness. After exploring the marshlands and the trails in the woods all around S.B. Elliott, it was time to check out our cabin that we'll call home for the weekend. The rustic cabins at S.B. Elliott. Let's open up. There is electricity in the rustic cabins. Flip the light on. Just switch for an outdoor light. Comes complete with shelves, picnic table inside, one outside on the porch, a full-size refrigerator and freezer, a fireplace if you so desire in the wintertime, as well as a heater, and you will see electrical outlets. So there is electricity here in the cabin, and a gas stove, an oven. 4 beds, a set of bunks, and 2 singles there. Really nice accommodations, a light up here on this side as well, and some more outlets over on the sides. So for what they call rustic cabins, a really nice setup here. Just make sure you bring your linens, pillows, things along those lines, and clean up when you're done. You do have a key for the door, as well as for the restroom facilities that are separate. Well, the cabins themselves are rustic. The 6 cabins here have their own bathhouse with individual bathroom shower locations, accessible by key. The same key as the cabin. Opens up. And it's just basic shower right over here, along with a basic toilet and sink. But it's pretty nice to have a private location. without having to share with everybody else in the campground. The rains were heavy, but they came through quick, and they exited quick, and they brought some friends with them. And we have a friend, a visitor, here at Simon B. Elliott State Park.
Isn't he cute?
He is. Unfortunately, he is not allowed to stay in this cabin because no pets in or around the cabin. So while he may be around...
Ah, you just beat on me.
Well... since he peed in the cabin, he needs to go outside.
I'm sorry, friend. Our friendship is over. You peed on me. Bye-bye. Go find your rest of your frog friends.
The rains passed, the sun set, and it was time to start a warm fire. And let's just say, it was a good thing that we have a fully safety-trained firefighter with us. Hold it low.
Oh no.
Now the second fuel tank's going to erupt.
Just down the road from Simon B. Elliott State Park, just about 4 miles down the road, we come to Parker Dam State Park. We're going to spend some time here, check out the annual Woodhick Games. What is a Woodhick, you ask? Well, they give you some definition, but it's about some of the timber and lumber industries in the past, and some competitions going on. But we'll check out Parker Dam, beautiful lake, dam, trails, stepping stones. Just like Simon B. Elliott, Parker Dam is just down the road of Pennsylvania Highway 153, just about 10 minutes away from Interstate 80. So anywhere that you are along the drive of Interstate 80 between Cleveland and New York, anywhere along here, you can always stop and enjoy the state park. And the way that the trees muffle the sounds, you don't hear any of the vehicles anywhere near either park. It's a really nice, solitary location with an easy transportation drive. Parker Dam has been central to this region for well over a century. In the 1880s, logging contractor William Parker first used the original dam here to help move timber downstream more efficiently, fueling the region's booming logging industry. About 50 years later, during the Great Depression, the Civilian Conservation Corps rebuilt the dam and added recreational facilities, transforming the area into a public park. And today, Parker Dam State Park offers visitors a scenic lakeside beach, picturesque walking trails, and the chance to get up close to the dam itself. A reminder of how this landscape has evolved from industry to recreation. Just a few feet from the dam and the stepping stones across it is a little homage to the past of Parker Dam and how it came to be. The Civilian Conservation Corps was a nationwide program created as part of President Franklin D. Roosevelt's New Deal policies, trying to help lift the nation out of the Great Depression. Here in Pennsylvania, the CCC took root especially quickly thanks to the state's strong conservation movement led by figures like Governor Gifford Pinchot. And with this foundation already in place, Pennsylvania became a hub for CCC activity, hosting 151 camps statewide, the second highest number in the country, behind only California. Many of the CCC camps across Pennsylvania have become themselves state parks, and a few of them have interpretive centers or little museums about the Civilian Conservation Corps, just like this one here. The difference with Parker Dam, however, the CCC themselves had built the building of which the museum is now housed in. A nice little link between past and present, and here you can learn all about the recreation and the work of the CCC itself in these locations and how that extends between then and now.
How about shovel?
Yeah, that's a good one.
But what better way to learn about Pennsylvania's logging frontier past than to participate in it itself? The annual Woodhick Day at Parker Dam State Park. Despite the name, this is serious competition, with past winners proudly wearing shirts declaring them champions, defending or reclaiming their title. Whether it's log rolling, cross-cut sawin, seed spittin, shoe pitchin, or hatchet throwin, you'll find competitive fun here, celebrating the skills and traditions of the old-time loggers of decades ago.
Pitchin from 7.
This one.
In from 10. No, but I almost swallowed it. Alright, last one. Last one. No, they're pine nuts. In from 10. Alright.
Good job, Gabe. Good job. On our way to hike a trail, we passed Parker Dam's epic sledding hill, a winter favorite where families gather for timeless fun in the snow. But soon we started off on our trek, and it wasn't long before we realized we were not alone. The Trail of the New Giants is about 1.2 miles round trip, winding through forest land that's still recovering from a powerful tornado that struck the area in 1985. And what makes the trail remarkable is the mix of destruction and renewal. Fallen giants from the storm, now surrounded by young forest reaching up again toward the sky, a quiet reminder of nature's resilience. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. Nature finds a way.
Up the ascent to the vistas. The incline has begun.
The upper vista marks the end of the official trail, but just 15 to 20 feet through some underbrush, you're treated with an extra glorious view. From the quirky charm of the Woodhick games to unexpected encounters with wildlife, Parker Dam and SB Elliott are full of surprises. Next time, we'll visit 2 icons of the Pennsylvania Wild. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.